In today's video, I'm going to be answering the question, how does YouTube TV work? We're going to be covering everything you need to know about YouTube TV, including how it actually works, how to purchase a subscription, as well as how to use some of the basic features. So YouTube TV is a video streaming service that allows users to watch live TV, subscribe to premium channels, and record their favourite shows. It provides access to live TV from over 85 broadcast, cable and regional sports networks, and it also offers unlimited DVR space, with up to 6 accounts for the price of one. Now, in order to begin streaming with YouTube TV, all you need is an internet connection and a compatible device. And once you've got that, you can simply create an account to get started. From there, we can go up to this section in the top right corner, and from here we'll find all the networks and add-ons that are available. So YouTube TV doesn't have set plans that you can buy, which is really good because it means that you only pay for the channels that you want to watch. So if you only wanted stars, for example, you could actually pay just $9.99 a month and have only stars. But some add-ons will actually make you add the base plan as well, such as HBO Max, meaning that you can't buy this by itself, it has to be bought with the base plan. And if you're wondering what the base plan is, it basically gives you access to over 122 channels, but it does cost $72.99 a month. So if that's within your budget, it could be worth buying this. From here, you can click next, and then you can add any more add-ons that you would like to add to your plan. And that includes things like HBO Max for all the freshest movies, 4K Plus which will give you better quality and other benefits, or even Sports Plus if you wanted access to a load of sports channels. From there, you can go to complete your purchase, and you will actually get a free trial as well, just to test it out. Once you've paid for it, you'll now have access to YouTube TV, and when you're on the homepage, it will look something like this. You'll be able to see top picks for you, and you can click play on any of them to start watching them. Or if you wanted to see the TV guide, we can go over to live at the top, and we can see a guide of all the live channels that are currently on. And if we see a program that we want to record, we can simply click on it, and from there we can click this plus button over here to add it to our library. What that will do is put it in your library here, and it will actually record the show so that you can watch it at a later date. And you can also add these shows on your homepage to your library by clicking the 3 dots here, and then choosing the option with the plus button which says add and then whatever the channel is. But other than that, this has been my video quickly explaining how YouTube TV works. Hopefully now that you've watched this video, you know everything you need to know about YouTube TV, and hopefully this video would assist you if you're looking to purchase a subscription. Thanks for watching.